Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Judoka Ebony Drysdale-Daley is the latest Jamaican to arrive at the athletes' village in Tokyo, Japan, with the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games set for 4 days' time. Denise Walters reports.
Primetime Sports Tokyo Dreams Preview brought to you by...
Already creating history by being the first judo athlete to qualify for the Olympics for Jamaica, Ebony Drysdale-Daley wants to take it a step further and make it to the podium. Drysdale-Daley, who will compete in the 70-kilogram weight category, arrived a day ago in Tokyo with her coach Fitzroy Davies. The British-born and based athlete says she is aware of the growing number of cases in host country Japan, as well as athletes and support staff who have tested positive.
There'll always be a concern regarding the COVID situation, but I'm treating it just like at home. I'm only going to focus on what I need to do, that's training and preparation to perform on the day. The real focus is just on that, really, just managing. If I were to come off and stress about that, it would take me off task.
Drysdale-Daley says in the meantime, she's taking all the necessary precaution to stay safe.
I'm a little anxious because we're in a pandemic, something that can't be helped, moving around with all the other athletes, but I'm in my bubble and with my team.
Meanwhile, alongside boxer Ricardo Brown, the other Jamaican athletes in the village so far are swimmers Aliyah Atkinson and Keenan Dulles, as well as gymnast Danusha Francis. Concerns still mount over the starting of the games, with infection rates rising among the general population of Tokyo. So far among the athletes, 2 South African footballers and a US gymnast have become the first competitors to test positive for the coronavirus in the athletes' village in Tokyo, while 6 athletes and 2 staff members from Great Britain's athletics team, who were required to self-isolate after being identified as close contacts with a fellow passenger on their inbound flight to Japan, have resumed training.
Primetime Sports Tokyo Dreams Preview brought to you by...